As you can tell, I'm super tired. Kept waking up in the middle of the night, I don't know why, but today's Friday, and I just bought a new camera yesterday, so I'm thinking about daily vlogging. So as mentioned, I'm thinking about vlogging again. I bought this brand new camera, the Canon G7X. It's a lot smaller, I can bring it around every single day. I don't have to worry about bringing my big giant DSLR. So yeah, we're gonna switch the channel up a little bit. Let's start vlogging a little, let's start moving around a little bit. Gotta head to work. I have some side work to do today. I'm driving the F today, as you can see. Nice beautiful white Alpine seats. And let's get going. Before I go to work every day, I usually go to Wawa. So I usually go there and I get a cafe con leche or a caramel iced macchiato. And they have these things called like a sizzly. It's pretty much like a little sandwich. They have like different varieties and different colors of the boxes, so you know what's what. But today all they had was French toast, so that's what my fat ass is gonna eat. It's gonna be a really good breakfast. Watch the magic. Alright, so this is pretty much where I work. It's 2 bays in the corner of the shop, which isn't that bad. My bay unfortunately has these lifts that gets in the way, so it's kind of difficult to tint sometimes, and my buddy doesn't have it on his side, so it's okay. He got me the job here, so can't complain. This is the piece of glass I put all the tint stuff on, and we share this side. And he has his own on this side. We got the plotter here for cutting tint out. See, everything's on the program, makes it a lot easier. Sometimes we gotta hand cut things that they don't have it. This my desk or table, and then that's his. Complete mess. There's not that much lighting here. These bulbs are like old school and they kind of suck for the most part. So I want to show you guys my car. I haven't really walked around it after I put the wheels on, so. As you can see, the fitment looks really good right here. Fits really well. Let's walk around. Loving it. I only had to adjust it one time and it's perfect. Front can go a little lower, I would admit. That gap is really annoying me, but it rubs like crazy. It actually rubs on the fender liner down here, not the tabs or anything. So unless I take out the fender liner, I have to deal with that rubbing. It's looking a little weathered, looking a little worn, but what can you do? Wrap's been on here for quite some time and I haven't washed it in like 3 weeks. So part of me still don't really want to take the vinyl off. I actually really like the color a lot, but it's okay. Eventually it's gonna have to go. So now we're just waiting for my buddy to get here with his friend. We're gonna actually be window tinting a Porsche GT4. We're gonna be doing the front windshield. So I'm really excited to go look at this car because it's sick as hell. So my buddy LB brought his friend's Porsche GT4 over, and it's super nice. As you can see, it's this vibrant red. Looks so damn good. He's actually in here because I'm gonna be tinting his front windshield a little darker than what it is, because he wants to keep it a little cooler on the inside, protect the interior and things like that. But as you can see, it's lightly tinted right now, which is pretty good. Still see inside. I want to say it's like about 35% or something like that all around, but definitely going to be tinting the front windshield right now with like a 55% tint. It's going to look really nice. I have it on my car and I recommend it to other people who wants to keep the car a little cooler all year round, especially during the summer. So I'm going to do a quick walk around and let's get started. guys, so we just finished tinting the windshield. It looks phenomenal. Can't even tell that it's tinted, to be honest with you. Here's a little close-up. Not really focusing, but you can see 55%, barely any darker than having no tint at all. As you can see, looking really sharp and clean. Really sets off the car. So now I'm just waiting for him to come back in a couple hours to pick it up. So this is fun. This was fun.